I'm gonna put this over here like that because it's not dry yet, it's completely wet. I have another pair of gloves, but then I don't want to take that. Alright, Ogana. Such a beautiful place, man. I had so much fun in here. Alright, so we're heading to Kalasa. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but yeah, we're heading over there. We booked a room in there, and the reason why we have booked a room in there is because we need to explore Kudremukha Ghat and Charmadi Ghat. So that's like a center point for both of them. So that's why we booked in there. And we'll be going to a place called as Elneeru Falls too. I hope everything is possible today because the time right now is 8:45 a.m. Okay, let me just stop you guys right there. This is editor's filters, and at that point my GoPro just randomly decided to mess my day. Yep, it just stopped picking up my voice, and yeah, it happened. I already had an issue with my GoPro, but then yeah, it was expected. I agree, but really on this day, it was such a beautiful day and I had a lot of footage, but yeah, it happened. But the interesting part is that it did record my voice at some point, bits and pieces. I'm gonna add those, and I'm gonna add some raw footages, and I'm gonna add some music, basically just spice everything up, and I'm gonna try to make it interesting. If you guys don't find it interesting, then I blame it on myself, yeah, and GoPro, of course, yeah. Alright, that's it. Thank you for your patience. You can enjoy the rest of the video, and thank you. Kalasa ya kode? Kalasa. Ee kade na? Okay. Thank you. Elneeru Falls ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? Elneeru Falls. Okay. Okay. Okay, finally found the road. Is this it? I just have to change my GoPro batteries. I'll do that right now. It's raining. Okay, I believe this is the one. Yep, this is what the kid told me. Yeah, by the way, a kid actually told me to go this way, so I don't know if I should believe him, but yeah, I'll have to believe him right now. I have no other choice. Oh my god, water crossing. Ooh, this is nice. Okay, what happened? Oh my god. Okay, doesn't look scary at all. Oh, Wow. I reckon if that's the route, I have no idea. But let's go this way. There's a route going down there. I think it's that one. Not sure. I don't see any waterfalls here, so it should be that way. Oh my god, it's so slippery. ಇದು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಫಾಲ್ಸು ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರನಾ? ಅದೇ ಫಾಲ್ಸಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಹಾಂ, ನಾವು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ಹೌದಾ, ಸರಿ, ಓಕೆ 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 ಓಕೆ. No, this is not the route. I knew it. Oh my god, it's so slippery in here. No, 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 no. I love this. Look at that. This is the waterfall which is going down there, and there's a way down there too. So I believe I have to take that. ಗಾಡಿ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ? ಹಾಂ, ಗಾಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಹೋಗುವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಳೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಗಾಡಿ ಬಿಡೋದು. ಹಾಂ 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 ಹಾಂ, ಓಕೆ, ಸರಿ. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವಾಗಲೇ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಜನಿಗೆ 200 ರೂಪಾಯಿ, ಬೈಕಿಗೆ 1000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ದಂಡ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. ಹೌದಾ? ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಒಳಗಿದೆ, ಕುದುರೆಮುಖ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಈ ರೋಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅದು ಊರೊಳಗಡೆ. ಊರೊಳಗಡೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಅದು. ಇದು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಧರ್ಮಸ್ಥಳ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಹೋಗುವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಹೋಗಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಸರಿ. Such a nice place, huh? Wow. Okay. Absolutely beautiful, huh? I don't came solo. I'm kind of proud of that. But yeah, let's go.